Have you ever wondered how some people get more done during the day whilst others are much less productive? Do you know that many successful people and millionaires get up bright and early? Do you want to improve how you feel about yourself, your day and your overall mental health? Then keep listening as we discuss how you can conquer your morning, your day and your life whilst others are still in bed. Hi, my name is Dr Aziz. I'm a psychology graduate of Cambridge University and also a medical doctor. In this video I'll be covering the best-selling book The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod and Robert Kiyosaki. It's a fascinating read in just over 200 pages. But as always, don't worry, you don't have to read it because I've done the hard work for you and will be presenting all the key points in the next 7 minutes. Success begins with the mind. A key principle to bear in mind is to realize everything that you do in life has a knock-on effect. Maybe you think skipping your workout today is fine since you can always go to the gym tomorrow. But in reality, rather than your decision affecting you just now, it actually affects the person you are becoming. Harv Eker highlights this in his book, The Millionaire Mind, which will be out soon on this channel, so be sure to hit the subscribe and notifications button for that. Anyway, Eker mentions how you do anything is how you do everything. Many of us base our decisions on our past, a phenomenon in psychology known as RMS, rear view mirror syndrome, thinking we have little scope to change. If we want to create life on our own terms, the time is now. Dwelling on the past and making excuses will only hinder your success. He who cries over the past ends up losing tomorrow. So you want to make changes in your life, but where do you start? Question number 1. Did you hit the snooze button this morning? For many of us, the answer is yes. So what's the problem? Well, hitting the snooze button keeps us from waking up with a sense of purpose. Each time you hit that button, you are subconsciously saying you don't want to rise to life, to your experiences and your day ahead. For those who suffer with depression, mornings are the hardest time of the day because they feel they have nothing to look forward to. Conversely, if you wake up every morning with a purpose in mind, you'll be on your way to crafting a happy life and it will be easier for you to get up. Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Albert Einstein and even Aristotle, all examples of early risers. They all had purpose. Consider this, have you ever woken up drained on a special day such as your birthday or when you're about to embark on a trip? No, because you had purpose. The problem is our beliefs about sleep. When you go to sleep thinking this is not enough sleep, I will feel exhausted, you're already ruining your chances of waking up early. When the author started telling himself he would feel good in the morning, he started feeling refreshed with as little as 4 hours of sleep. So what are some key first steps in getting up bright and early? Number 1, affirm to yourself you will get up feeling refreshed. Number 2, put the alarm clock on the other side of the room. This will force you to get up out of bed. Number 3, once you're up, go and brush your teeth and splash some water on your face. This will get you feeling more awake. Number 4, go to the kitchen and have a tall glass of water. This gets your body moving further, also helps to rehydrate yourself. Dehydration is a key factor in feeling tired. The next key part of the miracle morning is some form of reflection. This can come in the form of prayer, meditation, or just quiet reflection on your life and for all the things you can be grateful for. Gratitude is a major antidote to stress. Next, Elrod advocates positive affirmation. What this means is working out how you want your life to look in every area, the reasons why, and how you will get there. Once you have created your affirmation, be sure to read it out loud to yourself at least once a day. For example, I will go to the gym today because I want a better body and to feel healthier. Visualization is another powerful tool that the author talks about. It is a tool used by many professional athletes. To utilize this tool, you simply visualize your ideal life, your dreams, your goals, and how you will get there. Exercise is also something certainly worthwhile fitting into your morning, especially if you don't have time to fit it in later on in the day. A personal note from myself, when you complete a whole workout first thing in the morning, trust me, there is no better feeling knowing you've gotten your gym work done whilst others are barely rolling out of bed. Next, do some reading. Yes, from a book, not your smartphone. Aim to read about 10 pages a day. All the great successful people in life, such as Elon Musk, are also avid book readers. If you read 10 pages a day, that's equivalent to 18 books a year. Writing down your thoughts and insights can also be helpful. So to summarize the 6 key steps of the miracle morning, we can use the acronym SAVERS. Number 1, silence or reflection. Number 2, affirmations. Number 3, visualizations. Number 4, exercise. Number 5, reading. Number 6, scribing or writing. You can tailor these and the duration of each of these to your morning. These don't necessarily need to take an hour. Even 1 minute for each, a total of 6 minutes, is better than not doing any of these. Like anything else, we are more likely to stick to something if there is accountability. So try and get an accountability partner and sticking to your routine for at least 30 days. The first 10 days can be difficult. The following 10 can become easier, but with the final 10 days, your new habit will start forming part of your identity and a new successful you. A great example of this is the author and running, something he initially despised but kept up for 30 days, by which point he actually started started to enjoy running. Some thoughts from myself which are not mentioned in the book. You may remember RMS earlier, rearview mirror syndrome. Another similar phenomenon in psychology is called the end of history illusion, which basically states people of any age believe that basically they are not going to change much going forward, that the changes that have taken place in the previous 10 years were much more significant. This is basically apathy. You can and will change, whichever stage of life you're at. It's simply a case of mindset. Hitting the snooze button. You lose when you snooze from a medical perspective because fragmented sleep hurts your body's ability to recover. Every time you sleep or hit the snooze button, your body starts going through the 5-stage sleep cycle. It'll gear up for more sleep and it really won't like being rattled again 10 minutes later. Consequently and paradoxically, you'll end up being more tired by hitting the snooze button. Finally, although not mentioned in the book, you may have heard of the 20-20-20 morning productivity rule. This is basically 20 minutes of exercise, 20 minutes of prayer, reflection or meditation, and 20 minutes of learning. The 20-20-20 rule is not something strongly advocated in this book, but it is something that is mentioned in the 5 AM Club book, which I will be covering soon on this channel. So be sure to hit the notifications button for that. Also, on a practical level, there is a Facebook group called the 5 AM Club, and there you can find WhatsApp groups that you can join according to your time zone where there is accountability. So try it for 30 days. Get up at 5 AM, become productive, and see whether your life changes for the better or not. Anyway, I hope you learned something useful and enjoyed this summary. If you want to keep learning about psychology, medicine, or life hacks, hit the like, subscribe, and notifications button. Any suggestion or comments, feel free to post below. Until next time, stay safe.